Citrus Supreme. We're going to talk about how to cut citrus fruit the best way possible. Citrus Supreme. What does that word even mean? Well, I don't know. It's the best way to cut a citrus fruit. You peel the skin, you get the best part of the fruit right out of the sinewy bits in the middle, and it's great for all kinds of dishes, salads, desserts, whatever. Maybe not the easiest thing to do on a daily basis for a snack, but if you're trying to impress somebody, this is great. I use a larger knife for this. I actually find it's a lot easier, even though the knife is significantly larger than the orange I'm cutting. You'll see why, because I'm going to make nice long sliding cuts. First, I'm going to take the top and the bottom of the orange off. Now, this, you can see there's still a bunch of the white there. I'm going to cut it just a little bit more. Now I've got lots of fruit exposed on either side, and I'm going to use that white line to guide where my knife goes so I can cut the skin off. I put my knife just into the orange part of the fruit and back from the white. Then, in a smooth motion, I slide the knife forwards while rolling the knife away. That way, I peel off the outside of the peel. And I continue around the fruit until I get rid of all of the skin and don't leave behind any of the white. I try to do this in 8 or 10 slices. If you did it in 4, your orange would come out pretty square. Now, as you see, I'm losing a bit of the fruit, but that's because this is a fancy technique. This is not the most economical technique. The more slices you do, the more you're going to get out of it. As I continue around, I'm just about done. Now, I will go back. I did miss a spot here, so I can just go back with my knife and clean it up. Be careful to have a sharp knife, not a dull knife. If you're trying to do this with a dull knife, you'll have to push more, and when you're pushing is when you end up getting into trouble and cutting yourself. Nice clean orange. Now, to take the segments out from in between the membrane walls. You can see there's little white lines, and that's going to guide the knife. I take the blade, I put it on an angle that matches that triangle, and I just slip the knife through. I do it on the inside. There we go. Perfect little segment of orange. Beautiful and tasty. Okay, I'm going to keep going around, taking them all out one by one. Remember, it's important to cut just to the side of that membrane line, that white pith, not on it, or else the fruit will stay stuck. Just gently sliding the knife, not applying too much pressure so the blade doesn't go through the orange. You don't want a blood orange. If you do get to a spot where you've not made it through, you can peel it off, put it on your cutting board, and cut the end off. When you've got all the membrane stuff left, you can take this and squeeze the juice out of it. You don't have to throw it all away. And then what you do have left are all these really nice orange segments. We can do it with lemons. We can do it with limes. These citrus segments are great for all kinds of things. Great in cocktails, great in salads, great on the side of a piece of grilled fish. Whatever you like citrus fruit in, try to step up your game, make these beautiful citrus segments. You'll taste the difference and everyone will be super impressed with your knife skills. Thanks for watching. Put your comments in the comments section below. Subscribe to us here on YouTube. Hit the bell for notifications. You can also follow us on Instagram, on our website, knifewear.com, Twitter, Facebook, you name it, we're there. Thanks so much.